Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So before we had the unboxing of the Picasso doll. As we said before that we will do the dress up in our next video, so now this is it. So we will do the dress up for the Picasso doll. At first we already removed the head so that we can put the dress easily. So since the head is also made of magnet, this one, so it's easy to remove. So you'll start the dress up. So this one, so you have to open here and insert the body. So somehow it's a little bit hassle because it is small enough to handle. Then the arm like this, so you have to be careful so that the arm will not be broken. And also don't forget to wear gloves so that the paint or the makeup will not be damaged. So here it is. So now it's time to put the head. So first you have to do like this. And see. Now we will put the cape. It's time to put the earring. First, we have to put the headrest. This one. So that it will look like more beautiful. And then finish. And don't forget to put the tail. See? So cute, right? So this is how we do the dress up for the Picasso doll. So this time we didn't put the icing. So this doll is so cute. The dress and the combination of the dress, the headdress is so nice. Matched with a yellow ribbon and yellow coat. Same color with the shoes, which is yellow also. Looks so really nice, cute, and adorable. Once again, this is the 10 cm doll, Picasso doll from Dearmine Maker. And this is the collaboration doll of the Dearmine and DOLKUS. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So thank you very much. Bye bye.